Now that you have completed the online hybrid learning orientation, you may be asked to access your badge and submit it as an assignment to your instructor. To view your badge, select Badges from the navigation bar on the left. You should now see that you have earned your badge. Please note, if you don't see your badge right away, but instead see the following image, it's still processing. Don't worry, it will eventually show. And that's it. You can now give it a try and view your badge. Your instructor may require you to take this course and to submit your badge as an assignment. The following steps will walk you through how to submit the badge as an assignment. Select Badges, then hover over Badge to view details. Select Download. It will open a new browser and automatically download the badge image at the bottom of the page. Your instructor will either want you to submit the URL or submit the image through Canvas. If they want you to submit the URL, copy the web address where you downloaded the badge image and select Website URL from your submission options, where you will paste that link into the submission field. If they want you to submit the image, select File Upload from your submission options. If you made a mistake, you can always resubmit the assignment. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to your instructor for help. Have a wonderful semester.